How to fix YouTube Watch Later playlist missing. Is your Watch Later playlist missing on YouTube? Try these simple steps to fix the problem. First, open the YouTube app and find any video you'd like to add to Watch Later. Tap the three dots next to the video. From the available options, choose Watch Later. Once the video is saved, go to your YouTube profile and open your playlists. Check for the Watch Later playlist. Adding a video to it can sometimes make the playlist appear again if it was temporarily missing. If you still can't find Watch Later, also make sure you're signed in to the correct YouTube account. Finally, check the App Store or Google Play Store and update YouTube to the latest available version. An outdated app can sometimes cause features or playlists to display incorrectly. After updating, reopen YouTube and check your playlists again. And that's how to fix the YouTube Watch Later playlist missing issue. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and troubleshooting tutorials.